My people come oh, if your phone fall inside water or the speaker is low in volume, just do this.
If your phone fall inside water, open your TikTok app, click on the search bar, then speaker cleaner, search speaker cleaner, select this first one. Once you select it, put your phone to the loudest, highest volume, and you see that all the water, whatever dirt, dust that is inside your phone, even if it doesn't fall inside water, you see sometimes your phone speaker will be so low you barely hear when you call or receive call. Click speaker cleaner sound, select anyone. You can hear the sound. As the sound is coming out, all the dirt and impurity in the phone is coming out of it. As it's coming out, your phone becomes clean and the speaker becomes clear again.
If you find this video helpful, like, comment, subscribe, and share for more helpful tips.